Have you guys ever wondered which of our CowCow designs are the most popular on our website and how you too can design a bestseller? In this video, we're going to show you our most popular designs and the tips on how to create a design that outshines the rest. We're going to do a countdown of our top 5 most popular designs on CowCow. And starting with number 5 is our middle finger all over print. It's a recent favorite and comes in a variety of colors. So while the design is bold, the statement is clear. It shows attitude and that people who are wearing it don't care what anyone thinks of them. Halloween is a favorite holiday amongst CowCow customers, so that's why coming in at number 4 is our purple Halloween batch dress. Even when it's not Halloween, you can still style this for an edgy look. And coming in at number 3 is our adorable dinosaur print. If you want to make dinosaurs less scary, this is how you do it. It's a cute style compared to the other 2 designs and makes for a really good mother-daughter apparel. At number 2, we have the galaxy dress. The artwork is so mesmerizing, so it's definitely not a mystery why this is so popular amongst our fashionistas. And number 1 is our dessert donut dress. It comes in many different colors and has inspired lots of other dessert patterns. It's just become a classic and a must-have for all of our CowCow customers. And really, who can blame them for giving in to such a sweet treat? Now that you've seen our top picks, let's take a look at how you too can create your own bestseller. First, make your designs fun and relatable, so customers will naturally be attracted to your pattern when they're shopping on our website. Also, make it fun to wear, like our dino print, so when their friends see them wear, others will want to buy one too. There's no question that most of our hottest designs are bold and make a fashion statement. These patterns usually draw the most attention and garners the most sales. The third tip is diversifying your designs to our different products. That way you can offer more variety for your customers. Your designs might appeal to some people more as a dress than a t-shirt. And our last tip is design with your target audience in mind. If you want to create a design for dog lovers, try to think about what layout and styles they will want to buy. Or if you don't have any specific audience to cater to, you can think of design topics that's relevant or a recent trend in the current market. Well, we hope this video has inspired and given you helpful tips for your next design. And thanks for watching.